The world is full of mysteries, but some are best left undiscovered. Imagine venturing into the depths of the unknown, where the veil between reality and nightmare is dangerously thin. What lurks beyond the fire's glow? What watches from the shadows? Some have dared to seek answers, only to find themselves in chilling encounters they may never fully explain. Today we delve into 3 terrifying stories that blur the line between fear and the unexplained. Are you ready? Let's get started with a chilling journey into the unknown with Creepy Outdoors, the fearless YouTuber who thrives on uncovering the darkest corners of haunted forests. But this time, his experience took a far more sinister turn. On a quiet May evening in 2024, he ventured deep into the woods, accompanied by his ever-loyal dog, Mika. The day was calm, the forest peaceful, until nightfall transformed the atmosphere entirely. As darkness swallowed the trees, he basked in the campfire's glow, savoring the solitude. But the serenity was short-lived.
Creepy Outdoors here. By myself camping, as usual. And I'm a little shook up right now because I heard some strange sounds. Stay here, Mika. Stay here. It sounded like some sort of growling. I'm not sure. I wasn't recording. I was just enjoying my night, and
a series of eerie noises rippled through the trees, breaking the stillness. He reached for his camera, eager to document the unsettling sounds.
Hello? Shh. It's okay. I'm just talking to my dog right now. What the? Mika, stay here. Stay. Come, stay. Stay here, good boy. Good boy, stay, sit. Sit down. Hello? What the? Calm down.
But the tension in the air was palpable. The noises grew louder, creeping closer, surrounding him in an unseen presence. What would you do if you found yourself alone in the dark, with something unknown lurking just beyond the fire's glow?
Maybe it's Mika. Oh no. Come on. Mika! Oh no. Mika, come back. Oh shit. This dog is... Come here. What are you doing? Stay here. What's out there, boy?
Mika, sensing something his owner could not, bolted into the blackened woods.
I have no idea what the hell this is. I'm hoping it's like a bear or something just walking by, but there's these banging sounds on both ends. I need to calm down for now. Hello? Is anybody out there?
His calls went unanswered. The forest seemed to hold its breath. A suffocating silence followed, a silence that carried an overwhelming sense of dread.
Camping trip, I've never been this freaked out. Mika! Come back. What are you doing? This is not like him. What are you doing? Are you alright? What's going on, bud? Is your paw hurting? Come on back. Come back to the fire. Come. Come on.
Had Mika sensed a wild animal? Or was there something far more menacing hiding in the shadows? Stricken with unease, the YouTuber remained by the fire, unwilling to venture into the darkness. Hours passed with no further sign of Mika or the source of the eerie noises. He logged off, offering no updates.
I have no idea what the hell that was. If I hear anything more, I'll keep you guys posted. But for now, this is Creepy Outdoors.
Leaving his audience to wonder what was out there, lurking just beyond sight. Creepy Outdoors continues his exploration of the unknown, but this experience serves as a haunting reminder of the perils that await those who dare to venture into the abyss. Would you have the courage to camp alone in a place like this? If you thought that was unsettling, brace yourself. Things are about to get even more terrifying. Imagine finding yourself deep in the wild, where the line between tranquility and danger is razor thin, a place where the quiet can be deceiving and the unknown lurks just beyond your perception. Freddie Flintoff, an experienced camper and a guest on Discovery UK's Alone in the Wild, understood the risks of venturing into the wilderness, but no amount of expertise could have prepared him for what he faced that night. As he lay inside his tent, a strange noise shattered the silence. His camera struggled to focus, distorting as if reacting to something unseen. Nearby, animals stirred in panic, a clear sign of an approaching predator.
Listen to the noise now. Everything's panicking.
Then, movement. Something large crept closer. Instinct kicked in, and Freddie quickly withdrew into his tent. And just in time. He was lucky that night. But what if he hadn't been? What if the predator had taken a greater interest in his shelter? Could you remain calm, knowing a lion prowled just beyond the thin fabric of your tent? This chilling experience serves as a stark reminder of how fragile our sense of security truly is. But as disturbing as this was, the next encounter is even more harrowing. Picture this: a frigid winter night on December 30th, 2023. YouTuber Chris Baird, known for his fearless investigations of haunted locations, embarks on a camping trip with friends Benjamin and Yasuko. They've explored the paranormal countless times before, but tonight, the terror they face is unlike anything they've ever encountered. Arriving at a dense forest, they set up camp, eager to document another eerie adventure. As the night deepens, Chris, ever the thrill seeker, pulls out his spirit box, hoping to make contact with the unknown. But the woods remain silent, at least for a moment. Then, footsteps, faint, deliberate, echoing through the trees.
Creepy, because we're just going farther and farther in the woods, and there's nothing around us right now. It sounds like someone's walking around in the snow. Again, I'm a realist here. Like, there could actually be an animal nearby. Animal could be in like a little hole. Whatever it is likes to hang out in here, clearly. Like, look at all that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you?
Agonizing.
That is agonizing. It's agonizingly scary. Did you just tap on that tree? Something out here is trying to scare me. This forest is too much. Like, for real.
Chris scans the darkness, but there's nothing there. The air is heavy with unease, urging him to retreat to camp. He regroups with Benjamin and Yasuko by the car, convinced the worst is over. But the night
Because I don't know how much more of this craziness I can take.
is far from done with them. A low rumble cuts through the silence.
I don't want to do my light is all messed up.
Something's coming.
What?
Something's coming.
Where?
Like a vehicle or something. What if it's that same vehicle from earlier?
It might be.
Hold on.
Like, you actually think there's a vehicle coming right now?
Listen, listen.
Oh, I see lights, I see lights. Dude, cut your light, cut your light, cut your light. Cut your lights right now. Look at, there's a light up there.
Hey, is that a car?
I literally see lights coming at us. Look at that. We're all lit up. I'm turning my eyes up. Yeah, see those lights up there? Yo, they're shining a light around.
Wait, what?
They're shining a light around. Look.
Are they still at the campsite?
I don't know. I can't tell. Whoa. Are we seeing lights or are we just seeing the fire? Because I'm pretty sure I saw like a flashlight shining around, but I could be wrong.
No, I saw something too. But...
Yo, it's right there. Look it. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know. There's more than one. Just stay down. Just stay down.
They're driving really slow.
Oh, yo, 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 yo.
They stopped at a campsite.
What are they doing? They just took off. Bro, what the hell was that?
Why did they stop at the campsite?
How many people do you think there were? Any good? Let's all stick together. This is so weird.
They hear the rumble of a car engine approaching their campsite. The vehicle stops by their camp, and the three friends hold their breath, staying as quiet as possible. The car lingers, its intentions unknown, before finally driving away. For now, they remain unseen, but the unease settles deep into their bones.
If they came from that way,
What was that other light?
someone came from that way and was like walking around our campsite with flashlights.
That was
Did they
my-
pick them up?
They might have. Maybe there actually was somebody out here. I don't see anybody.
I don't see anything either.
I think we're okay. Dude.
Yeah, that was a little strange.
something-
Because here's the thing. If someone's out here with doing like a little campfire, campsite thing, why would you show up with lights outside of your windows, like pointing them and stuff?
Doesn't make any sense. Like they were just like shining, like I don't know if they were gonna try to take some stuff. So they pointed their lights at us. It was really weird. I just have a weird feeling.
I'm just curious about what we saw initially, because there was noises and people from both
Before that
directions.
vehicle came,
Yeah,
right?
before they came.
I saw a light moving around, without a doubt. Like I'm almost nervous to go down.
The sound of an approaching vehicle. Headlights pierce through the trees, illuminating their campsite.
Alright, no.
Gunshots.
Oh my god, yo, dude, kill the fire, let's get out of here, dude. Seriously, let's get the out of here. Kill the fire, let's get out of here. Get this out. Dude, fuck this. Those are gunshots. Here, fight this. I'm I'm just packing anything up, dude. What the fuck? This is wrong. You can't close your case. That ain't worth it. It is not worth it.
They were trying to scare us.
That was so close to us, too.
They were trying to
Were they
scare us.
shooting at us?
I
That's
know
why I
they
just don't
shooting at us,
understand.
but they were definitely trying to scare us. I could say that with 100%
You're
certainty.
trying to uncover stuff, so just be careful. We have to like pull over down here. I want to get somewhere safe right now.
The three friends freeze, holding their breath as the car lingers, its intentions unclear. Then, just as suddenly as it appeared, it drives away. Relief washes over them, but it is fleeting, because moments later, gunshots. The crack of bullets shatters the night. Fear grips them as the realization sets in. This is no longer a ghost hunt. This is a fight for survival. They grab their bags and run. Abandoning their gear, they flee the forest at full speed. Their only goal, escape. Chris, Benjamin, and Yasuko make it out alive. But the questions remain. Who was in that car? Were they being targeted? Or was something even more sinister at play? No updates have followed. No answers have emerged. Only chilling uncertainty remains. And a reminder that the greatest horrors aren't always supernatural. Sometimes the real danger lies in the darkness that surrounds us, hidden just beyond the edge of the light. That's all for today. Now let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Take care. See you in the next video.